What's up, all my LJC family? And today is Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm not looking a mess, y'all. But we finna unbox a box. I got a lot of boxes I need to unbox. And today's video, y'all. We're gonna unbox a box. And I'm just gonna show y'all some of the stuff I got in there. What I'm gonna throw away. What I don't want. I look a mess, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. When you can't dance, but you try anyway. Anyway, y'all. We're gonna go unbox this box and then we're gonna get the ball rolling. But it's Friday and I'm off tomorrow. It's Friday and I'm off tomorrow. It's Friday and I'm off tomorrow. It's Friday. It's Friday and I'm off tomorrow. Not this way. All right, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Let's get into this box. Y'all, I got stuff. I need to get my stuff together. Alright. This is the box, y'all, that we're gonna unbox. It's sitting here. And I got stuff in here. And I wanna know what's in. I just got it sitting on my little nightstand. So let's see. Let's see what's in here. I got a shirt. I got a little shirt. Got a teddy bear. There is my little thing, and I'm missing. I don't remember. I don't remember what letter this is. I sure don't know, y'all. What else I have in here? More socks. I got my little gold bow. I got my little ice pack. What else do I have? I think I'm just socks. And then I have my little wand. It's supposed to be a sanitizer. Then, of course, I got Christmas. Oh, let me get that out. It's flashing back. I got Christmas decor. Oh, I got a lot of little whipped soap. Oh, this is soap. Do it expire? Cause I'm sorry, y'all. This is whipped soap. Cherry berry. I'm gonna try to open it for y'all in just a minute. Let me see what it looks like. What else is in here? This is my little jacket I've been looking for. A little bag. Just a little. Oh, this is the little bag I got from Las Vegas. Got that bag. And then I got my little cups. I can do something with these cups. I can make some. Y'all know how they making all those cups? I got one. I got two. I got another bear. Then that must be one of these little one of those kids' little poppets. I never got into that. Then I have these little lights. Come with batteries. I think these are the pineapples. Yeah, those are the pineapples. What else do I have in here? Look, y'all. Valentine bags. Okay. That ain't nothing. That's nothing. Anti-itch cream. I got some more of those lights, string lights. More string lights. Let's see. I got some wall, Minnie Mouse, wall decor. How many do I have? One. Oh, we have, what do we have here? Oh, yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. 3D. Who is this? Bella. Then I have some more. I have JoJo. I have JoJo. What else do I have? More JoJo. And it flashes. I have more JoJo. And then we have some Baby Shark. I might can do a little something and give these away because I don't have nobody that wants those. And I thought I had a receipt. In there. I do have a receipt. What else I have? I have another little cup. I have some more little Valentine's bags. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. And this is just. I don't even want to show the person that's on there. But yeah, anyway. Got the little bobblehead solar dancer. As I have in my little shirt. Solar dancer. What is you doing? You going through this box? What is this? Yeah, that's it. Got these shoes in there. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. These are size, what size shoes are these? These are a size 9 and I can't fit them. I'm in an 8. I don't know, my feet shrunk. I used to be in a 9. But I can't fit those anymore. These are some cards that I had. Stuff from Walmart. This is what is this? Oh, this is nothing. Mother's Day card from somebody. I got all kind of stuff up off of him. This is one of them grocery pickup bags. I had all kind of stuff off in here, but I didn't even use the stuff that was in there. Whatever. Then I have these little lights. Oh, I need these little lights. I can put these little lights somewhere in my room. Yeah, I can put them somewhere in my room. And then this is a magnet. What is this? Y'all, I got hair. I got Minnie Mouse glasses. Minnie Mouse glasses. I need to go through this stuff. I got more little pineapple glasses. This goes to my exercise ball. I need this. What is this? This don't belong to me. This belongs to somebody else. With that little traveling clothes. I have to look at this stuff. That little traveling pillow. That's that. What is this? That's stuff. And then this was a gift from one of my church members. I need to see what all I used. Let's see. Because I don't think I took everything out. Okay. Oh, your girl ain't used none of it. Y'all got a whole Versace gift, and I never used it. Wow. Okay, what else I have? I had did a wig. It was too heavy. I did a wig. Tried to do a little wig, but it was too heavy. It was one of those little buns, and I crocheted some hair in it. It's a bun, and I crocheted some hair in it, y'all. And I got Christmas ball. Who needs Santa? I have Grandma. Let me take that out of there. Let's stick that over here. And then a lot of Christmas bags. I have a lot of Christmas bags. And I have some Christmas cards. Let me take that out. Some spoons. What else I have in here? What is this? Give it to God. Oh man, look at that. It says, give it to God. And then it's a prayer box. It's a prayer box. It say, God is within her. She will not fail. Oh, wow. I didn't even know I had that in there, y'all. See? Just be having stuff. There's another pillow. I'm pretty sure that one is mine. This is mine. I need this for my dresses. We're going to take this out. Set that right there. And then, what else do I have in this box? I got a charger that I can use. Then I got some bracelets. I got some bracelets and some bracelets. I got these as a Christmas gift. Yeah, these were a Christmas gift from one of my church members. What else is in here? I got plenty of gift bags. And then my Christmas cards, I need to get those out. I'm going to get all of this stuff out, y'all. And then, what else do I have? My grandbaby got a little mask. That's it for this little box. All that little stuff came out that box. Ain't that terrible? I just had stuff sitting in that box. So now I gotta get all of this stuff. A lot of this stuff, y'all, I need to give away. Y'all want any of it? Valentine's bags. We ain't gonna need. Don't need none of those. These most definitely. Somebody can have those because we can't use those. We don't have small enough kids that can put. We have small kids, but that's not they. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Then, here we have only one Minnie Mouse. I thought I had a grip of Minnie Mouse. We got one thing of Minnie Mouse, and I'm gonna give that to my grandbaby. She can put that on her wall. And then these little soaps. Yeah, it is. This is what it looked like. That's what it looks like. Okay. That's what that stuff look like. So these are whip soap. Okay, it's whip soap. Duh. Okay. So these right here, I can stick over there. Y'all see those boxes I gotta go through? Gotta go through that, but I'm gonna either stick those. I might stick them over here or in that corner right there. I don't know. I'm gonna put them somewhere, y'all. But let's see. I had fixed this up the other night, but I got so much stuff, y'all. And look, check this out. Just look at this. Just look. All of that stuff. Let me see. Y'all, I can't even get it. All of that is just in there. Just all of this stuff, unnecessary stuff I don't need. I don't need it. Unnecessary stuff. Unnecessary stuff. This was another gift from my church member. Unnecessary stuff, y'all. Don't need it. Look at all my wigs over there. It's crazy, but this I need to go through. Why it won't pull out? I don't know. It won't pull out. But anyway, unnecessary stuff. Unnecessary. I need to clean that out. And then right here is some of the everyday stuff that I use. This is that box I was showing y'all. Right here. It smells so good. And then I have some Gucci samples. They smell so good. So good. They smell so good. This right here, my fave. Smells so good. This one smells good too. But this is my fave. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And look, y'all. Homemade. Something I did. But anyway, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, my LJC family. And until next time. Oh, y'all. This clock right here, it reads scriptures. Scriptures. Am I saying it right? It reads scriptures when I don't have a battery in it, but if I put a battery in it, I can't remember the time, but it'll read a scripture every minute, but I don't have a battery in there, so I can't show y'all. But I'm going to show y'all the next time. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I love y'all, all my LJC family. Peace.